Best synthetic oils. If you want your engine to last longer, run smoother, and stay protected in both hot and cold weather, choosing the right synthetic motor oil is one of the smartest maintenance decisions you can make. But with so many options available, it's not always easy to know which oil is actually worth buying. In this video, we're counting down the best synthetic motor oils that stand out for engine protection, wear resistance, cleanliness, and overall long-term performance. Whether you drive a daily commuter, a high-mileage vehicle, a truck, or a performance car, there's an option here that could be a great fit for your engine. Let's get started with the top picks. Number 5. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck 5W40. If you're using a diesel truck and want a full synthetic oil that's built for heavy-duty use, the Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck 5W40 is definitely one worth considering. This is the kind of oil that makes the most sense for trucks that see regular towing, hauling, long highway trips, or demanding work conditions. What stands out is how it's designed for modern diesel engines, including many low-emission applications. It's also intended for extended drain capability where appropriate, and it helps reduce sludge buildup in cold conditions and deposits during high-temperature operation. That's the kind of protection that matters when an engine is working hard over time. In everyday use, this oil is mainly about durability and consistency. The 5W40 viscosity gives good cold start flow while still providing solid protection when the engine gets hot. The 1-gallon jug is also convenient for routine maintenance. The downside is that this is primarily aimed at diesel trucks, so it's not the right choice for every gasoline vehicle. It can also cost more than conventional diesel oils. Overall, I think Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck 5W40 is a strong option for diesel truck owners who want reliable long-term engine protection. Pros. Excellent protection for modern diesel truck engines. Helps reduce sludge and high-temperature deposits. Suitable for many heavy-duty and mixed fleet applications. Cons. Primarily intended for diesel engines. May be more expensive than conventional oil. Not necessary for vehicles that don't require this viscosity or oil type. Specs and configurations. Brand, Mobil 1. Type, full synthetic motor oil. Viscosity, SAE 5W40. Size, 4 quart, 1 gallon/3.8 L. Vehicle type, truck, diesel applications. Container, jug. Flashpoint, 234 degrees Celsius. Fit type, universal fit. Number 4. TRIAX Kompressor ISO 100 SAE 30. If you maintain an air compressor regularly, the TRIAX Kompressor ISO 100 SAE 30 is a product that focuses on long-term protection rather than quick results. It's a full synthetic compressor oil designed for rotary, vane, screw, and reciprocating compressors, which makes it a versatile option for many commercial and workshop setups. One thing I like is that it's a non-detergent formulation, which is commonly recommended for many air compressor applications. It's also designed to handle a wide temperature range, so it can be useful for equipment that operates in changing weather conditions or during extended run times. In real-world use, the biggest advantage is the focus on durability and component protection. The oil is intended to reduce wear, help control operating temperatures, and resist moisture-related issues inside the compressor. For people who use their compressor frequently, that can be more important than simply choosing the cheapest oil available. The downside is that this product is specifically for air compressors, so it shouldn't be used in applications outside the manufacturer's intended use. It's also not intended for oxygen air or LNG compressors. Overall, I think TRIAX Kompressor ISO 100 SAE 30 is a solid choice for users who want a synthetic compressor oil with broad equipment compatibility and long service life potential. Pros. Full synthetic formula for compressor protection. Compatible with rotary, screw, vane, and reciprocating compressors. Designed for wide temperature operation and long service intervals. Cons. Intended specifically for air compressor applications. Not for oxygen air or LNG compressors. May cost more than basic compressor oils. Specs and configurations. Brand, TRIAX. Type, full synthetic air compressor oil. Viscosity, ISO 100, SAE 30. Size, 1 gallon. Formulation, non-detergent. Container, bottle. Item weight, 2 pounds. Number 3. TRIAX Marine Ultra 25W40. If you own a 4-stroke boat engine or a personal watercraft, the TRIAX Marine Ultra 25W40 is an oil that's clearly designed with marine conditions in mind. Marine engines often deal with long periods of high RPM, heavy loads, and moisture exposure, so oil quality can make a noticeable difference over time. What I like about this oil is that it's formulated for applications requiring FCW and is intended for a wide range of gasoline-powered 4-stroke marine engines, including inboards, outboards, and personal watercraft. The full synthetic formulation is aimed at providing strong wear protection and maintaining viscosity during extended use. For everyday boating, the main benefit is consistent protection when the engine is working hard. It's also designed to remain stable during storage, which can be useful for seasonal boat owners who don't run their engines year-round. The downside is that this oil is specifically intended for 4-stroke marine engines, so it isn't a general automotive oil. You should always use the viscosity and specification recommended by your engine manufacturer. Overall, I think TRIAX Marine Ultra 25W40 is a solid option for boat owners looking for a full synthetic marine oil with broad compatibility and strong protection for demanding marine use. Pros: full synthetic formula for 4-stroke marine engines. Designed for FCW applications and broad OEM compatibility. Strong wear protection for heavy-load marine operation. Cons: intended only for 4-stroke marine engines. Must match the manufacturer's recommended oil specification. Premium synthetic oils may cost more than conventional marine oils. Specs and configurations. Brand: TRIAX. Type: full synthetic 4-stroke marine engine oil. Viscosity: 25W40. Size: 5 quart. Vehicle type: 4-stroke marine engines. Container: jug. Fit type: universal fit. Number 2. Briggs Stratton SAE 5W30. If you use a lawnmower, generator, pressure washer, or other outdoor power equipment, the Briggs Stratton SAE 5W30 is a synthetic oil that's specifically designed for air-cooled 4-cycle engines. That's important because small engines operate differently from most automotive engines and often run at consistently high temperatures. One thing I like about this oil is that it's made with a full synthetic formula, which is intended to provide better protection across a wide temperature range. Cold starts are easier in cooler weather, and the oil is designed to maintain protection when the engine gets hot during extended use. For routine maintenance, the 32-ounce bottle is a practical size for many common small engine applications. Since it's an OEM-approved product for Briggs & Stratton engines, it's also a straightforward choice for owners who prefer using the manufacturer's recommended oil. The main limitation is that this is intended for small air-cooled engines, not for every type of vehicle or engine. As always, it's important to use the oil grade specified in your equipment manual. Overall, I think Briggs & Stratton SAE 5W30 is a dependable synthetic oil for homeowners who want reliable protection and easy seasonal maintenance for their outdoor power equipment. Pros: full synthetic formula for air-cooled 4-cycle engines. Good cold weather starting and high temperature protection. OEM approved for Briggs & Stratton engines. Cons: intended primarily for small engine equipment. Not suitable for engines requiring a different viscosity grade. Premium synthetic oil may cost more than conventional small engine oils. Specs and configurations. Brand: Briggs & Stratton. Type: synthetic small engine motor oil. Viscosity: SAE 5W30. Size: 32 fluid ounces. Vehicle type: small air-cooled 4-cycle engines. Container: bottle. Fit type: universal fit. Number 1. Castrol GTX High Mileage 10W30. If your car has more than 75,000 miles on it, the Castrol GTX High Mileage 10W30 is one of those oils that's designed specifically for older engines. It's a synthetic blend formula, so it aims to provide better protection than a basic conventional oil while remaining suitable for many high-mileage vehicles. What stands out is the focus on engine cleanliness and long-term wear protection. Older engines can be more prone to sludge buildup, oil consumption, and seal wear, and this oil includes additives intended to help address those common issues. The seal conditioners are designed to help reduce leaks, which can be a useful feature for aging engines. In everyday driving, this oil is mainly about maintaining smooth operation and protecting engine components over time. It also meets modern API and ILSAC specifications, so it's compatible with many passenger cars, trucks, and SUVs that require a 10W30 oil. The limitation is that it's intended for vehicles where 10W30 is the recommended viscosity. It's also a synthetic blend rather than a full synthetic oil. Overall, I think Castrol GTX High Mileage 10W30 is a dependable option for drivers who want a well-known high-mileage oil with a good balance of engine protection and seal care. Pros. Designed specifically for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. Helps fight sludge buildup and engine wear. Seal conditioners may help reduce leaks in older engines. Cons. Synthetic blend, not a full synthetic oil. Must match the manufacturer's recommended 10W30 viscosity. High mileage benefits may be less relevant for newer engines. Specs and configurations. Brand, Castrol. Type, synthetic blend high mileage motor oil. Viscosity, SAE 10W30. Size, 5 quarts. Vehicle type, passenger cars, trucks, and SUVs over 75,000 miles. Container, bottle. Fit type, universal fit.